Hey guys, what's up? Everyone does TopTradingReviews.com. Today is 18th of February 2019. Let's get started. So the EasyTradeApp, guys, what's been happening? How you guys doing? Leave a comment down below. Guys, if you want to register on the EasyTradeApp, link will be down in the description below. 250 minimum deposit. Right guys, what's been happening? What are my trades looking at? So I'm going to show you my broker at the moment. This is my broker, investors.com. It's a nice broker. I got 6 trades open. 2 of them are in the loss, 4 of them are in nice profit at the moment. So 2 trades that have been running since the 14th of February, so the Valentine's Day, and yesterday I placed another 4 trades just when the market opened, the Japanese market opened. I just kind of felt like, trading, so I placed some trades. 2 of them are in the loss, 2 of them are in the profit, so it's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. Today we're gonna play some trades and hopefully they're gonna be winners. Right, what I want to show you guys and talk to you guys a little bit about. New broker has been out. If you missed my last video, if you're like from Australia or Nigeria or, oh my god, there's loads of other countries, but not the USA, but most of the other countries, and you couldn't register on the EasyTradeApp. Now you probably can. So if you guys want to, register, link will be down in the description below. Right, so a lot of people have been asking me what are the best times to trade and what lot sizes to trade. So the best times to trade are probably Monday to Thursday. Friday is only valid if there are economic calendar news. So if we go on the economic calendar and let's see this week. We click on this week and we look at Friday. So Friday, as you can see, there's a lot of volatility on the Canadian dollar and the euro. President Ghah's speech. This guy usually causes so much volatility in the economic calendar. So this week, you can definitely trade on Friday as well. The best times to trade are usually from 8 AM GMT to, let's say, 4 PM GMT. That is my time to trade. That's when I trade most of the times. If you're living in England at night time, let's say 11, 12 and 1, these times, Australian and Japanese markets are, opens Japanese yen, and this it causes some volatility in other pairs. You don't really have to trade the Japanese markets itself. It's just because when a market opens, the pairs kind of tend to move around a little bit and have some volatility, so there's pips to be made. However, most of the time, if you're day trading, 8 AM to 4 PM is the best time. The most volatile time is probably from 1 PM to like 4 PM, since that's when the Great British Pound market is open and the US dollar market is open. So all the Europe and US markets are all open, and that's where there's a lot of pressure, a lot of movement, and that's where you're gonna make a lot of pips. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So right, I want to play some trades now. So what have we got here? I've been recently liking the Fibonacci method, so that's what I'm going to be trading today. And let's have a look. USD, JPY, ETH, USD. As you know, I don't really trade cryptocurrencies. I feel like cryptocurrencies are just so unstable and so unpredictable that I just never trade them. I just don't feel like trading them. I usually just trade the currency pairs and that's it. So looking at the trades, USD JPY 83% success rate, take profit is 80 pips and SL is 69 pips. If you notice, I recommend you guys to have SL over 40 pips so you just don't get pushed out of the market. As you can see over here, classic methods, 16 pips, 19 pips, it's nothing. You don't want to trade these. I didn't find much success in the classic methods. However, Fibonacci and martingale methods are killers for me. Fibonacci methods especially, they're good. They're not as big. They're, in the normal size. That's what you would be expecting. So USD JPY, let's have a look. It's saying it's a signal towards going up. So USD JPY at the moment is kind of on a little uptrend. You see it's going up. However, there's gonna be some kind of support over this level over here. As you can see, the candles have actually stopped, and once it reached, as you can see, this big red candle, it kind of moved down a little bit, which means there might be selling pressure. So USD JPY is kind of a risky trade at the moment. We might not want to take that unless there's gonna be USD JPY sell, and it confirms, because as I said, guys, don't take trades if you haven't confirmed it in your head. What you want to do is support and resistance, and if you think USD/JPY, as you can see, I think USD/JPY should be going down, because Japanese pairs tend to, you know, if they go up kind of slowly, but when JPY goes down, it just plummets, and that's where you make a lot of pips. And I don't know, I just feel like JPY pairs always just try to trade if they're selling, you know. If not, leave them alone. So USD/JPY at the moment, it says it's a buy 83 success. I don't want to trade that because it doesn't confirm what I'm thinking. Yeah, guys, so if you want an example, actually, I'm gonna show you something. If you want an example for the USD, let's say, let me find something. So USD CAD, let's say, there we go, look. So if you want an example, as I said, you see it climbs up kind of slowly when it's reaching up, but it drops drastically with red candles, you know, it drops drastically. That's what I mean. So sometimes if you have like a bigger take profit, you might be wanting to aim at selling something, you know, because sometimes when it climbs, you know, it climbs, but there's a big drop, and there's also a climb. There's always, once the market drops like that, you're gonna make a lot of money. That's where I make a lot of money as well. So sometimes having selling options, you know, is the best as well. So keep that in mind. Let's trade some trades anyway. So let's have a look. So Fibonacci, AUD/USD 73 success rate. Let's click trade. We already analyzed it. I already have one trade open. AUD/USD has been doing well and it's a buy. So let's do another one and click trade. You wait. Then you just click trade. And there we go, AUD/USD is successful, and you wait. And that's it, that's how you place the trade. Obviously I didn't have the switch automated trading function on. Now we can just turn it on. I keep forgetting it all the time, but it doesn't really matter. In there you can, you know, maybe change the pip value a little bit, take profit value. If you don't do it, it's like semi-automated. If you put this switch automated trading on, you're literally gonna do this. GBP/JPY 81% success rate. You have a look at the let's say support and resistance. So GBP/JPY, let's just have a look. Guys, just because I'm analyzing the markets, you don't really have to. You can also, you know, follow the signals. The percentages are there for a reason, you know. I don't want you to mind boggle you that you need to do all this. I'm just doing it because I've been trading Forex for a while. I've been trading Forex for 4 years at least. USD Swiss franc, 75% success rate. So it's just in me, you know, to analyze a little bit and find out what's going on in the market. Also read the economic calendar. Always read the economic calendar, actually, guys. In the morning, if you're not doing anything on your phone or something, just read the economic calendar, find out what's going on this week, let's say, and you're gonna know a little bit what to expect, which currency pairs not to trade, which currency pairs to trade. So USD Swiss franc, let's say, it's a nice signal, but I already have a trade. As you can see, USD Swiss franc over here. I don't really want to, you know, trade the same currency pair. Let's see what else they have. GBP/JPY. So let's say GBP/JPY, you see this and you do, if you have a count of 250 to 500, do just 0.15, 0.10, maybe 0.20 if they allow you. If you have a little bit higher, you know, do 0.25. If you can, you know, do 0.20, not 25. 25 is a little bit high. That's what I did. That's what I can do, you know, because I have a bigger balance. So GBP/JPY, I'm gonna do, you know, 0.50, since I already have a lot of trades going and I'm trading because of trade. I don't really want to place trades, but I want to create a video, so I'm just gonna, you know, play some trades. GBP/JPY 73%. Right, trade. You click trade, you wait. And there we go, the trade is open, GBP/JPY, and we leave it, and you know, you wait. You wait around, you know, 1, 2 to 3 to 4 to even 10 days. Sometimes, you know, the markets are slow, so you need to understand that. But eventually, you know, around 2 to 3 days time, you're gonna, you know, make some profit. Like yesterday, you know, as you can see, some trades I have, like from 17th. So from yesterday, you see, two are making profit, two are, not in profit at the moment. Then obviously these two trades, once you start trading, if you place a trade straight away, it's gonna be in the red. So don't worry, guys. It's always gonna be in the red once you place a trade, but eventually it's gonna build up and it's gonna be in the green. So don't worry, guys. That's how it should be. And also, guys, a lot of people been asking me, how am I doing, on the EasyTradeApp? Like, how am I getting so much wins? Guys, you need to not close the trades. Some people are closing the trades if they have, like, let's say a little profit. They are scared to do it for some reason anymore, and they just close the trades. Or if you're in a little loss, they close the trades as well. Don't close the trades. Leave the trades. That if these methods are there for a reason, Fibonacci, martingale, classic methods. Classic methods, don't use them. Fibonacci and martingale methods mainly. These take profit levels and SL levels are there for a reason. Don't muck about with them if you don't understand anything. They're there for a reason. Just leave your trade and eventually it will close and it's gonna make you money. If you're gonna close it prior to making money and then make another trade and this might be a loser, then you will get demotivated. You need to keep those trades running, and whatever happens. If you place the trade, that's it. If you look at the economic calendars but you already placed the trade, don't close the trade. You're gonna be in a little minus. Then what you want to do is look at the economic calendar, see what let's say volatility it has. So let's say tomorrow, maybe you don't want to trade on 9:30 tomorrow because there's gonna be some news. So after the news, let's say, look, GBP and then euro. So maybe at 10:30 maybe you want to place the trade, and then whatever happens, you don't close the trades. You don't close on this, on that, on any other news, because you already placed the trade. That's it. You're done it. You placed the trade. That's it. You're leaving it for the markets and the software to make you money. You don't want to open trades when the volatility is very high. So let's say 9:30 and you open it at 9 o'clock. Don't do it. Just give 30 minutes. So let's say 9:30. So you don't want to open trades on 9 or 10. If it's the news on 9:30, give 30 minute difference. But if you place a trade, let's say on 8 o'clock, and there's gonna be news and you haven't seen it, just leave the trade. Let's just leave the trade on GBP and that's it. You just leave it, don't touch it. It's gonna take profit more than likely anyway. So just chill out and relax. Obviously, the SL levels, make sure they're above 40, minimum 40, maybe even 50, so you don't get kicked out. Let's see. Look, Fibonacci methods. So gold versus USD, 67 pips versus 33 pips. 33 pips is not a lot, so you don't want to place this trade because it might kick you out quickly. It might be going on a profit and then it might dip a little bit. And that little dip might kick you out from making money, because usually what happens, there's gonna be a little dip, a little bit above resistance or below the support, and you're gonna be scared. Oh my god, but it might be a fake breakout, and a fake breakout means it might reach your 33 pips and then eventually gonna go the other way and would have made you money if you had the SL a little bit higher. So guys, this was Aldous from Top Trading Reviews. I hope you like my videos, guys. Make sure to subscribe and do not miss out on any other software updates. If you want me to review something, comment down below. If you don't understand anything, you can reach me at toptradingreviews@gmail.com. I have quick responses and everyone's happy that I'm responding for that, and I'm happy for your support. Also, if you want to engage with me and have a chat, I'm usually online on Facebook as well. So if you write to me, I'll probably text back within 30 minutes time. If not, then it means I'm driving, I'm busy because I have 3 other businesses going, so sometimes I'm proper busy. But I like to have a chat with my clients, so if you give me a text, I'll reply. So yeah guys, take care, have a nice day, and goodbye.